Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why your earbuds LG TONE Free is not charging. Firstly, you need to check is your case charging. So connect your case to the power, and if you have this LED light on the front side, it means that it's charging. Next, I recommend it to clean your earbuds, and at this channel we have a video about it, and right here we have charging contacts, so you can clean it with toothbrush. Also you can use isopropyl alcohol to clean it, and on the charging case. Next one, also check is you remove headphones foil. So right here also at this charging contacts you will see a foil for on a new one, so remove it. And also you need to check your cable and charging port. Maybe you need to clean this charging port at the charging case, or something wrong with your cable or with your adapter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!